Welcome to Desai Academy of class 9th and second chapter is matter around us pure. In already we know that in the first chapter what is matter, so that is having a space and volume is called as a matter. Okay, what we are observing that all our matter means that matter is pure or impure. I have to study here whether it is impure or whether it is impure, so that you have to study here. So how do we judge whether milk, ghee, butter, salt, spices, minerals, water or juice that we buy from the market are pure? We are purchasing different kinds of material from the market, correct? So how we are deciding that is pure or that is impure, on which basis, or how we can saying that this is a pure and this is a impure? For example, it is given in the picture, it is a salt and it is a ghee, it is a packet of milk. On this packets, observing these packets, how we can say that this is a pure, this is a pure, or this is impure, this is impure, and this is a impure? On which basis and how we can say that it is a pure or a impure substance? Have you ever noticed the word pure written on the packets of these consumables? Okay, while purchasing these packets, on beside of this packet, so all informations are given in that. So it is what are the consumption of fat, vitamins, minerals, and also they are wrote it is a purified or and it is a double purified, correct? So they are written well when we are seen packets of foods. And also consumable means we are eating, where we are consuming, that is called as a consumables. For a common person, pure means having no adulteration, correct? For a common person, the pure means what? There is no mixture, so that is called as what? Pure. For a common persons, for them, the pure means there is no adulteration. Adulteration means what? There is no mixture. Adulteration means what? Here the meaning of adulteration, is what? Mixture. Mixing of another kind of particles are called as adulteration. But for scientists, all these things are actually mixtures of different substance. Okay, according to the common people, the pure is that does not contain any mixture, but according to the scientist, all substance are mixture of something. So what according to scientists, what all the things are actually mixture of some mixture of different substance, and hence not a pure. The scientists are arguing that according to the common people, the substance which are pure, they are not contain any kind of mixtures, so there is no unwanted substance in it. But according to the science or according to the scientist, whatever the matter is there, whatever there is substance, that always having some mixture in it. So that is the different types of mixtures in it. For example, how we can say that all substance are contain a variety of mixture means, for example, in a milk is not contain only milk in it, means there is a other kind of content in it. So actually it is a mixture of what? Water, fat, proteins, other type of what? Minerals, water, fats are present in it. This is called as a pure substance. But according to the common way, it is not a pure substance, because it is contains some mixtures. So everything is what? Mixture of something according to the science. But for common people, the substance which does not having mixture is called as a pure. For example, milk is actually mixture of water, fat, proteins, etc. Okay, milk is a mixture of water, fat, and proteins, etc. when scientist says that something is pure, it means that all the constituent particles of that substance are same in the chemical nature. Okay, whenever the scientist will saying that, for example, a substance is there. Here a object is a substance is said by scientists is pure, means this a substance contain all kind of particles are not having a same chemical nature. Pure means the substance which having all particles are same chemical in nature. Remember that when we are using the pure substance means that all kind of particles present in this aura on that substance having what same chemical nature. Remember, this is very important point. It means that all the constituent means present in that substance are same particles of that substance in the same chemical nature. Any pure matter that contained means, so we are saying that matter is a pure means that contain all kind of particles are having a same chemical nature. Remember that a pure substance consists of a single type of particle. Okay, what is a pure substance? A pure substance means it contain single type of particles. What is a pure substance? Pure substance consisting of a single type of particles. A pure substance consisting of what? A single type of particle is called as a pure substance. In other words, a substance is a pure single form of matter. We can say in other words, it is a single form of matter. What is a pure substance? It is a pure single form of matter. Other words, the substance consisting of a single type of particles. This is the simple definitions of pure substance. As we look around, we can see that most of the matter around us exists as a mixture of two or more components. We can see around us what different kinds of substance are there. Different kinds of substance or different kinds of matter is there. That all matter are mixed with two or more other substance in it. Variety of matter, which we can take any kind of material that mixed with several kind of substance in it. For example, so seawater. For example, when we take the example of water in the sea, that contain variety of minerals in it, nutrients in it, and also salt in it. This also it is a mixture, and minerals and salts also contain microorganisms, right? Again, some kind of nutrients in it. Again, we can give several examples. Soil, seawater, and also our air. Air is a mixture of several things. Air is a mixture of water. In that air, oxygen is there, carbon dioxide is there, dust particle is there, and smoke is there. So everything around us is covered with a variety of substance in it, right? This is the simple explanation they are given here. What is the mixture? Mixture are constituted by more than one kind of pure form of matter. What is a mixture? Mixture is constituted by two or more kind of pure matter. Okay, this is the important definition. What is mixture means? You can write a mixture are constituted by more than one kind of pure form of matter. It is constituted by more than one pure form of matter is called as a mixture. We know that dissolved sodium chloride can be separated from water by the physical process. What is the? We know that dissolved sodium chloride can be separated from the water. Okay, in that water, the sodium chloride is dissolved. Sodium chloride means what? Salt only. What is the formula of sodium chloride? Is NaCl. The sodium chloride is dissolved in the water. We can separate from NaCl from the water by physical process. That physical process is called as what? Evaporation. Correct? The salt is separated from the water by which method? evaporation. So we are simply we are exposing to the water into the sunlight. So due to the evaporation, water molecule get into vapor state. What the solid remaining here, that called as a salt. This is a simple technique. This NaCl is called as a common salt. The NaCl is called as a common salt. This is the chemical formula of sodium chloride. What is the sodium chloride? Here N is for sodium, Cl for what? Chlorine. So this compound is called as a sodium chloride. So it is commonly called as a common salt that we are using in our day-to-day life. However, sodium chloride is itself a pure substance and cannot be separated by physical process into its chemical constituents. The NaCl is what? NaCl is what? A pure component or a pure compound. We cannot separate these sodium and chlorine by physical process. So we can separate sodium chloride or salt from water, correct? So by which? By physical process, by the method of evaporation. But we cannot separate sodium chloride as sodium plus and chlorine. So we cannot separate by physical method. Okay, this is the sodium chloride, correct? So how we cannot separate means this sodium chloride compound we cannot convert sodium plus chlorine. By which method? Physical method. Remember that. We can separate by chemical method, but we cannot separate sodium chloride by physical method. Okay, so sodium chloride is separated by chemical method, but it is not separated by physical method, as sodium is different and chlorine is different. This sodium and chlorine is separated by only chemical method, but it is not possible with the physical method. Similarly, sugar is a substance which contains only one kind of pure matter, and its composition is the same throughout. Okay, for example, when we take this sugar, so it is also having a pure substance and it contains a same chemical nature in entire sugar. Soft drinks and soil are not a single pure substance. For example, these are sugar, salt, these are what? A pure substance. But soft drinks, okay, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, these are called as what? Soft drinks. And soil are not a single pure substance. Whatever the sources of pure substance may be, it will always have the same characteristic property. When we are saying a pure substance means in that all particles having a same chemical properties. Whenever we are saying that this is a pure substance means that all particles present in this pure substance having a same chemical properties. Remember that. Therefore we can say that mixture contains more than one pure substance. Okay, always remember that mixture contain more than one type of pure substance. Okay, the types of mixture. Okay, there are two types of mixture will comes here: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So we will study in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.